Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Asia if this is your first time to my channel. If this is not your first time to my channel, thank you guys so much for coming back. As usual, I'm gonna ask you guys to like this video. If you like this makeup, like the video. I'll wait for a second while you like it. This is more than a second. You've had more than enough time to like this video. And if you're feeling so inclined, go ahead and subscribe. And subscribe that, y'all. In this video, we're gonna be doing this eyeshadow look. It is using this LA Girl Haute. I obviously cannot English ever. I feel like my hair needs to be bigger. I definitely feel like my hair needs to be bigger. Also, Jolly, there's Dad. Do you see him? Maybe not because it's kind of dark outside because it's kind of gray, but he's back there thriving. We're gonna do this eyeshadow look. As usual, just like in all of my other videos, I am going to be putting timestamps in the description. Timestamps in the description box that will let you know exactly where certain parts of the video are. That way you can skip to whatever part of the video you would like to see. I left out the skin prep, okay? Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing my skin prep or not. Or should I just throw in skin prep when I'm using something new? Because I usually use the same products for skin prep unless I get something new that I'm super excited about. So let me know what you guys want me to do. You want me to continue skin prep or you just want me to skip it until I use something new and then show you guys that? In any case, I did my skin prep off camera. The video starts with me doing this eyeshadow look. I'm gonna show you guys what I used to achieve it, how I achieved it. We're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna stop blabbing because otherwise we'll be here for longer than I think either of us want to be. No, you should want to be here because I want to be here. Maybe I should have rethought that sentence. Anywho, I am gonna let you guys go and I will see you after the look is done. Welcome back to another video, you guys. I'm starting off carving out my brows because, as you guys know, that's the first thing that I do when I do my makeup. I always start with my eyes. Carving out my brows, I'm using the Il Makiage concealer. This brush is my absolute favorite brush. I think that the brush is from Morphe. By the next video, I will make sure to put what the brushes are, inside of the description box. That way you guys can pick out these brushes for yourself. I love this brush because it's just, I mean, look how sharp it is. Now, I've used a smaller angled brush from MAC, like their smallest angled brush, and it wasn't right for my brow because I saw somebody else using it and I was like, oh, that's what I'm supposed to use. No, brushes, you have to make sure that they fit to your eye. It's not just one brush size fits all, and that's what you'll see with the brushes that I use in this video. So just going through and laying on my concealer. Just an extra little pro tip. You guys don't see me do it in the video, but let your concealer set just a little bit where it dries down just a little bit before you blend it out. You'll get a lot more coverage that way. The brush won't pick up that much of the product and it'll help to blend it out a little bit easier. Oh, yeah, look. Okay, so this, I don't know what this is called, Haute something, but look at how pretty this palette is. Oh my goodness. And I was super impressed by the pigment in this palette. Like, dang. Okay, look at this. All right, let's talk about the application. This brush is from June & Co., the same company that makes the fuzzy makeup sponge, which I'm not too fond of the fuzzy makeup sponge. I don't care what anybody else says. It's weird. However, this brush, they have some pretty good brushes, and I like this brush for the size of my almond eyes. I also like this brush because you'll notice that it blends out. A lot of other people I see do a lot of like swipe blending, like windshield wiper. I like to do a lot more patting than I do the windshield wiper motion. When I'm putting the color down, you'll notice I do my eye in a few steps. I lay the color down, and I lay the color down with a patting motion. And usually when I'm laying the color down, I put the brush exactly where I want the concentrated amount of color to be. So if I want that concentrated color on the outer part of my eye, I'm gonna lay the brush there. Wherever I want that color to be is where I'm gonna lay it. So that's what you guys see me do. You'll see when I do this eye, I'm doing a lot of patting, just tapping, patting, slight pat and drag, but not super like draggy as much as I'm doing more patting than anything else. And I feel like that gives me more color payoff. The blending is a lot better when I do a lot more patting than when I do circular motions or dragging. But after I lay the color down, whatever harsh edges are there, I'm gonna blend those out with my circular motions after that. Whenever I do a halo eye, I like the look of different colors on the eye. It gives you just a little bit of pop. It's like, wow, like where'd that color come from? And so I just felt like doing something completely different, using this shimmery blue that was a little bit deeper than the turquoise color I have on the center of my eye. Is technically I would say that this is technically a halo eye. But once I added that outer blue, oh my goodness, when it blended into the black, I got my whole world, y'all. I was like, who's that character that was like, a whole new world? Was that Jasmine? Na, 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 I never knew. Yep, that was Aladdin. Ooh, I felt like her. It was a whole new world. It was beautiful. And I usually don't wear cool colors, I'm telling you, because I feel like cool colors don't look that good on me for some reason. I feel best in warm colors, but I was just feeling it. Y'all will see why toward the end of the video. I tell you why I was just feeling this. I was like, oh, she cute. Look at her. So you see that when I blend out that color, I was using a much smaller brush. You do not need a big furry brush. I don't, to be honest. Benefit Goof Proof brow for my brows. Now, the other day, we did the video where I was using the Maybelline, what product was that? It was like a Maybelline cream brow product, and it didn't look right. I could see the demarcation line from where my hair stopped and where the brow product began, and I didn't like that. I think that Maybelline product is good for people who already have brows, but if you're trying to sculpt brows like me, if you don't have any and you need some to look like you got some there, Benefit's products are the absolute hands down best products you can use. I don't care, hands down. And boop, oh shit, yeah! Look at that, editing, yes. I'm using the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. We stopped with that, I think it was the Tarte one, or Tarte or Too Faced, I don't know, but that one was just, it was flaking off into my eyes. I do like to coat the top layer of my mascara. What am I saying? The top layer of my lashes and then coat the bottom. I thought that I was gonna put on lashes, but the more I looked at this look, I was like, y'all, nah. Okay, I'm gonna just leave my eyelashes because they cute. I'm gonna use this Biore Charcoal Micellar Water to clean off some of the fallout. I don't know if you guys saw it, but this palette did leave down a good amount of fallout, and that's another reason why I like to do my eyes first and my face last. I haven't been wearing foundation all that much, but I still do something to my face, which is what I'm doing with the Fenty contour and what I do with my concealer as well. And so I don't want the fallout from the eyeshadow to fall onto what I've just done to my face, which is why I do my eyes first. I really like the look of the negative space when I do contour and nothing else. It gives my face that really pretty, like, I'm telling you, it looks like I woke up like this. Good night. I don't even know what to say, y'all. It's just beautiful. I don't know why I didn't put it in here, but I'm using the Benefit. Okay, wait. What? Look, do you see the pink under my eye? I don't know how. I think it was because Jonathan was talking to me and I grabbed a brush that I usually don't use, one that I've used for blush, and I put all that pink product underneath my eye and I was like, crap. See, he was talking to me. The disrespect, y'all. They just walk into my videos. They don't even be caring. They just talk to me like whatever. Shush. That's right. He did it this time. So what I did to clean that up, because mistakes like that are going to happen when you're doing your makeup, don't freak out. What I did to clean it up was I just took the concealer that I was using and put it on top. Use the right brush and voila, she's done. Wet n Wild highlighter, because why not? You tell me why not, and then I'll tell you why. Is that how that goes? I don't know. That's something my dad would say. Always use setting spray. I have yelled this to all of my friends. This is Urban Decay's All Nighter. I love this setting spray. It just melds everything together and makes it look like it is my skin, which is absolutely beautiful. I didn't show it here, but I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me powder to set the concealer that I just placed down. Light blush on the outsides of my cheeks first, and then I went over that with this Morphe bronzer in all the areas that my face needed some bronzer. Girl, she's coming together, y'all. And you know, every time I use a powder product, I go over that with a setting spray, fan myself because I feel like I'm cute. Mascara on the lower lashes, because why not? Of course, it's the mascara that Beyonce uses. I feel like a face is not complete unless you do something to the lower lash line, and that's why or the lower lash lower lash waterline. That's why I put in the blue. It just helped to pull this look together. Also, faded a little bit of that color at the bottom. I don't like to put too much color at the bottom because then I look like I have raccoon eyes. I noticed in that little area right there that I just spotted out that some of the color was looking a bit patchy, so I went back in with my smaller blending brush that I used to blend out that black eyeshadow, and I just packed a little bit more, just a smidge, because you want to work really lightly with a dark color. So I just added a smidge, evened out the eyes, leveled out that color over there. And I know, like, some of y'all might absolutely hate the fact that I've been going for nude lips, but I've been loving it. I don't know why. Beautiful. Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. Milk Makeup is fast becoming one of my favorite brands, and y'all about to see this finished look though. Hit him with it, girl. Yes. And here's my face. I hope that you guys like this video. I really enjoyed creating this super pretty. This is so super pretty. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. This look would really pop if you added lashes, but here's what it looks like without it. I just didn't have natural enough okay, look, 100%, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I took my lash glue away from my table and now I can't find it. Boom, that's why I don't have lashes on. Okay, all right, can't find a lash glue. I gotta go find it, but I have like 50 million purses, so now I gotta search all my purses. So we're going without lashes today. By way of explanation, this palette is more shimmers than it is mattes. The mattes that are in here I can't use, but the shimmers that are in here are beautiful. I would have loved to see a 6-pan or 6 to 8-pan palette with just the shimmers. I really feel like as a makeup person, it's important to have a palette of all mattes and a palette of all shimmers. That way you can do a variety of different looks. All different type of pressed shimmers, or all different types of shimmers. There's metallics, there's pressed, there's so many different types, but this all together is just, I mean, I don't have the skin tone to work out some of these lighter shades that are in here. The brown is not dark enough necessarily for my skin tone, so if you are a lighter than me, then this is going to work perfectly for you. It's going to be a beautiful palette. I did something really pretty and something that a color that I don't usually use, but I have blue on my nails, so I just felt like, you know, I usually don't do cool tones. Okay, I'm blabbing now, so I'm gonna let you guys go. If you really like this video and you're like, Asia, you're so cool, I feel like we should be friends, which I don't even know why we aren't already, because I'm here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Wait, I didn't throw it up. Just click the subscribe button and then we can be friends and we can talk makeup, and yeah, we could just have a good old time. Let me know how you guys like this palette. Let me know how you like this look. If you hated it, don't just say that. Tell me why. Okay? Be constructive about it, because I could take it. I mean, let's just be adults. I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I better see you guys in the next video. Subscribe. 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 Hey. Bye guys.